I had a thought.
What kind of thought?
Well, what if you called me Bird as a nickname? It's rather lovely, isn't it?
What kind of bird?
Oh no, just bird. Birdie, hello bird, that sort of something.
Hello, bird.
And what shall I call you? Lord Eagle? Master Hawk?
Hawks eat birds.
Oh yes. That would make a rather poor metaphor for matrimony. One would hope.
Oh, my sisters wish to offer you their dressmaker for the wedding. They will make all arrangements, silks and things.
Oh, well, how very kind of them, though I do have a fine dressmaker here.
Theirs is better. And I've made arrangements for a honeymoon in Ockham. Then on to Somerset, perhaps a stop at Ashley. I thought we'd retain a London residence.
Oh, we absolutely must have a home in London. Why, Mr. Babbage will have it over for salons, and Mrs. Somerville will have us for dinners and lectures.
I thought we'd be in London for the birth.
Oh, whose?
Whomever you deliver first. I rather like the name Anne for a girl, George for a boy. Children are God's gift and a man's peace of mind.
And lectures, I suppose, are neither.
I have no opinion on lectures.
A lecture might help you find one.
Miss Byron, will you be a good wife to me? I'll thank you to be honest, as I know well your lineage.
Perhaps a balanced equation is best. I will be as good to you as you are to me.
Seems I must be frank. We are both aware of your need for a husband of my standing, but I need a good wife. I am not smitten by your fame nor your father, and I will not take kindly to a life of excessive attention. I will do everything I can to make you happy, but I will expect domesticity, integrity, fidelity. I'd like to know your mind before we proceed.
My mind? That you cannot have. But all else is a wife's duty I will give.